Alright, CSS battle time. That looks fun. You know? That just looks fun. Okay. How do I want to do this? I think I can do, this would just be an element with a radial gradient and the border radius, except on one of the corners. And the triangle, there's 3 different ways to do a triangle. You can do it with border. You can do it, what you do with border is you have 3 of the borders. Two. You have to have 2 borders with like this background color and then one with the red color, and then you adjust the height and width of it, the width of the different borders to get it controlled. It's my least favorite way to do it. It's very finicky, but it is effective. I think clip path is going to be my friend in this one. I like clip path. It's the most straightforward and easiest to reason on. It's probably a few extra characters. But I think I'm going to do the clip path route on that one. The question is, how do I think I'm just going to do a paragraph tag. And I think I could do, either I do a box reflect or I do a second one and do like scale -1. You know what I'm saying? We can do it both ways. We'll do it both ways and then just see which one is better. Let's start moving. I should have started a timer. I'm going to just set a 15-minute timer anyways, because you know how I get carried away with time. Let's see. Oh yeah, clip path, borders, or a conic gradient is how you do triangles. But with the conic gradient, you have to have the edge of the element be right there. I think that's just going to be a pain. Alright, set the timer. I'm a little bit all over the place today. Man, I have not felt good today. Like, I'm a little bit sick, and it's not bad, but it's just felt real lethargic and kind of achy all day today. Still went to work. It's not bad enough where I couldn't go to work. Alright, let's just, I don't need position fixed on the body, but I will need on the paragraph tags. Gotta do a lot more margin with that, but I gotta do padding for that. Okay, let's not do position fixed on the body just yet. Let's say the background, it's gonna be a radial gradient. 1Q, and it's gonna be dark for like 10 pixels, and then we're gonna go white. Great, it's about 20 pixels, I bet. A little bit big. 15? Oh, that looks about right. Okay, let's margin it down into place. Let's go 50. Let's turn on the diff so we can see where our edges are. We'll get the square boxed in. 70. There we go. Right's going to be like 200. And it's going to disappear, but that's until we get the left done. 100 on the bottom and like 50 on the side. There we go. 60. 60 on the side. This is going to be 240. Okay, 120, 130, 30. All right, we're almost there. This just needs to be at 55%. No, 35, 30. Ooh, 30% it is. That's a little bit better than having to do pixels. So we'll see if that works. All right, let's throw border radius on this. Oh, caps lock. I'm yelling border radius. There we go. And top left is where you start. So let's say 1 inch, 1 inch, 1. Oh no, this is 0 and 0. Oh, and I didn't have to do the third because it's that one, those two, and then that. Okay, good. We have our shape. All right. Now let's do P tag 2 p tags. All right, now they're showing up, trying to show up inside the body and creating all sorts of havoc. So let's select it and position fixed. There we go. Now I have to get the padding just right on this. Let's see, how big is this? It is a square from 60 to 160, so it's 100 pixels. So padding is 50. There we go. Scale. I never get this one right. Okay, 1, -1. Wrong way. -1, 1. Hey, there we go, but it did flip it. So we could do our border radius different. That's a long property to type out. Or I could do box reflect. Or I could change where the radial gradient is at. So those are the 3 different ways I can get this to be right, because I just need that dot to be over there. So a box reflect, oh, a box reflect won't work either. It's going to do the same thing as a scale. So, so I could do the scale, and then I also have to do change the radial gradient position. So instead of 30%, let's see what this is in pixels. And then, oh, because it's 100 pixels wide for the element, so that's why 30% works. I like it. Okay. That would be 1.78, so like it's one of those weird ones. It's minus 0.1275, because that's 1.125 is 1/8. So 9.875. Yeah, 1.875 would be the M property. I think we're getting in crazy math here. So I think if I did it at 10, no, it's increasing it. So 80, 70. Yeah, 70. So 30 to 70 is what I need to do. So 30% to 70%. There's math that'll do this. And you know what else does this? A nice variable. So let's leave it at 30%. There we go. Let's margin it into place. 50. Okay, 0 on the top to bottom, 100, 150, 180. I like it. Now we just need our triangle, which is going to be another p tag. And I wonder if I have to change anything except the background is now going to be red. Right? And we'll variabilize the backgrounds because we're at 3 now, so you do get a couple character savings there. Oh, I need to get the right plus p. Okay, there it is. Let's margin it down. I wonder if I can still do clip path without changing the border radius. Okay. This is iffy if this will work or not. Ooh, can I just do 85? No. Because if I don't, normally on a triangle clip path, you start at the top corner, you go to the right corner. You size it so that the corners are there, and then you just go to the middle. But I don't have to follow that rule necessarily. I can be down 10% to, like I can do whatever coordinates I need for this, right? Right? Okay, let's move it up a bit. I like that. Okay, I think this is doable. Let's see. Clip. Oops, nope, don't want to scroll that one. What is down? Oh, it's just ads. Okay. Clip path. All right. see, I don't do this very often. It's polygon, right? And let's start with 0%, 0% to, is it the X or the Y first? 100%, 0%. To 50%, 100%. Okay. All right, I like it. So we have, see, that's a better nose. I think mine's better. No. Okay, so we are drawing a triangle pretty effectively. So let's see, is it the second one? Oh, did it start over there? 20, 22. I could do these in pixels, but I don't know why. I usually, the percentages is easier to reason on. 22%. Okay. We're 4. Oh, that's too low. Okay, let's go to pixels. It's going to be the same. Oh, it is going to be the same. 21. 20? Oh, 20. Because it's still 100 across, it is the same. Now, we don't want to go to 100%. We want to go to 80. Ooh, and then we got to bring in these sides a bit. 10. Oh, it's working. It's working. 90. Oh, man. Okay. All right. I think because it's still scale. Okay, I see why it was the right-hand side first. We're still in that scale flipping orientation. Let's hit submit. Let's see what's messed up. I'm afraid of a 99.9. I think it'll be the radial gradient, though. We got 100%. Happy day. We did it. Cool. I like it. I'm just gonna leave this. I don't think a box reflect would have gotten me any closer. Let's see. I needed scale -1 for this. I needed that variable. I'd need that for a box reflect as well. And I needed margin and padding. I'd need the padding no matter what, because that would land on this. I'd need the position fixed no matter what, and I'd need the scale no matter what. So a WebKit box reflect would only save me this margin, and it's a longer property than that. So oops, let's scroll back up. Let's get down here. Let's minify and see where we end up. Oh, I think I might be able to. I wonder if I can delete the last. Yep, I can. Do I need the percent? Yes, I do. All right. You probably need some unit in those, I'm sure. It's not like margin. All right. Ooh, let's see. Do I need the 1 on this? Yes, I do. Everything worked out. That's pretty nice. Oops. All right, 282 characters. Seems high. Oh, I know. One last thing to do. Let's variabilize our backgrounds. Var -b. Let's run over here. Yeah, right there. Okay, background. Actually, that one, and then Control D. Okay, 277. So we saved 5 characters by doing that. Replacing the background with an inline variable that we reassign in each element. Cool. Good enough. I like it. Thank you. Hope you have a good weekend.